Bigcommerce versus Shopify. So which is best for your online store? Hey everyone, in this video we're comparing Bigcommerce and Shopify to help you decide which platform is better for your online store. Let's break down the differences. First up, Shopify. Shopify is known for its easy-to-use interface, making it ideal for beginners. It offers a wide range of themes and a large app marketplace, so you can customize your store with add-ons like inventory management and marketing tools. Shopify also has built-in payment options and supports multi-channel selling, so you can easily sell on social media and other platforms. However, keep in mind that Shopify charges transaction fees unless you use Shopify payments. Now, Bigcommerce. Bigcommerce is also user-friendly but is backed with built-in features such as SEO tools, product options, and no transaction fees regardless of the payment gateway. It's ideal for larger stores needing more advanced tools out of the box. Bigcommerce also has a powerful multi-channel selling feature and supports complex product catalogs. However, its app selection is smaller and its themes can be pricier compared to Shopify. So which is better? If you're just starting or want a simple setup, Shopify's easy interface and extensive app marketplace make it a great choice. But if you're scaling up or want more built-in tools with no transaction fees, Bigcommerce might be the better option. Hopefully this helps you choose the best platform for your business. So if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching.